Hey guys, let's answer the question, can physical therapists bill Medicare directly? So the simple answer is yes, but the more involved answer is you need to do a little work on the front end to be set up in the Medicare system in order to be able to bill them directly. And this answer applies to physical therapist, occupational therapist, and speech language pathologist. But basically what happens is you have to have a Medicare PTAN. Now you might already have a Medicare PTAN from an existing employer or other contract that you have in place. But even though if you have one already, that doesn't mean that you can automatically bill Medicare directly. What you would have to do is you would have to have access to your Medicare INA account. That's the Identity and Access website. You need to have access to your NPPES website, which is where you register for your MPI, personal and potentially your organizational MPI. And then you would need access to the PECOS system. That is where you're going to submit your application to be able to bill Medicare directly. And if you're going to bill Medicare, there are two options that you have. One is you could bill under your Social Security number, meaning you're going to file taxes. The income paid to you by Medicare is going to come straight to you. It's not going to go through a separate business entity. You're going to be set up in the Medicare system as either under your Social Security number or as a sole proprietor. Now, just for clarification, in the Medicare system, there's a difference between a sole proprietor and a sole owner of a business that's separate from the provider. So that is one option. If you're not going to start a business and you're just going to bill under your Social Security number and file taxes under your Social Security number, that is one option. The other option is to create some form of company, either an LLC, a PLLC, or something like that. It's a separate business entity. In both cases, whether you bill under a company or that you own, or you bill under your own Social Security number, you would have to go through the PECOS system. You would have to submit an application, and Medicare will either provide you with an individual Medicare provider number, also known as a PTAN, or it'll provide you with a PTAN that's reassigned to a business that you own. So that's why I say it's a little more involved than just to say, can I bill Medicare directly? Well, yeah, you can, but you have to be contracted with them appropriately, and you have to have all these applications in place. If you'd like to learn more about how to submit those applications, I do have a video course that walks you through the process. We also have a Facebook group, Medicare Billing for Mostly Cash-Based PTOT SLP. You're welcome to join. It's totally free, but thanks for watching.